Every heavy rainfall strips away vital topsoil, leaving vulnerable land bare and damaged. As surface runoff gathers speed, untamed water rapidly washes away the nutrient-rich ground. Without protective cover, deep erosion gullies form, destroying farmland and slopes alike.
Across rural slopes, unrestrained soil erosion strips away the land season after season.
Every part of the coconut holds value if you know how to use it.
The tough outer husk holds strong fibers that nature built to endure.
Nothing from the coconut is ever thrown away or wasted.
The meat goes to food processing, leaving the tough husk behind.
Once considered agricultural waste, millions of these husks are collected daily. In the heart of Bentray, vast coconut groves shape both land and life. Every harvest begins high above the ground, where ripe fruits await manual picking.
Selecting the right coconuts takes years of experience up here. Thousands of raw coconut husks are gathered daily from orchards across the delta.
Once wasted, these tough husks now hold incredible value for our soil. Deep inside each husk lies tough, resilient coir fiber built by nature.
Extraction separates the coconut husk into two valuable components: resilient golden coir fiber and organic pith. While coir pith enriches soil, the strong exterior fibers are reserved for heavy geotextile weaving.
These long golden fibers are tough enough to hold soil against heavy tropical rains.
Woven tightly into an open grid mesh, these tough fibers form a natural defense for fragile soil. Completely biodegradable and durable, the finished rolls are packed for transport to erosion-prone terrain.
Laying this mesh down keeps the heavy rains from washing away our farmland soil.
It all begins with the raw, fibrous strength hidden inside the humble coconut husk. Woven into strong geometric meshes, these fibers become durable defenses against soil erosion. Tons of agricultural coconut waste arrive daily, turning potential trash into valuable eco-protection.
Once collected, raw coconut husks enter the factory line for initial sorting.
Only husks with mature, dense fibers will make strong, durable geotextile twine.
These tough natural fibers give the netting its exceptional tensile strength. Inside the processing plant, heavy extraction machinery prepares to break down the fibrous husks. Powerful crushing rollers compress the tough outer husks to loosen the tightly bound fibers.
Sharp steel teeth comb through the husks, shredding them to release pure golden coir strands. As the machine shreds the husks, raw golden fibers separate cleanly from the powdery pith. The byproduct peat siftings fall away, leaving only high tensile strands for weaving.
Only the longest, strongest fibers make it to the spinning floor. Every bit of husk must be cleared so the twine spins smooth and strong.
Once cleaned and aligned, the fibers are ready for the spinning mechanism. High-speed mechanical rotation turns loose strands into tightly bound coir twine. As the loose fibers spin, they bind together into tough, continuous coir twine. Spool after spool is wound, preparing the raw material for heavy geotextile weaving.
Every spool must be properly tensioned so the weave stays perfectly uniform.
Automated needles interweave the spun yarn into a tight, resilient structural matrix. Each precise knot reinforces the mesh, creating high tensile strength against erosion forces. A continuous geometric mesh emerges, ready to protect vulnerable landscapes.
As the weaving completes, endless yards of resilient netting stream toward final packaging. Layer upon layer, the woven mesh takes the heavy form needed for severe slope protection.
Every grid square must meet strict measurements to guarantee effective soil retention.
From the noisy factory floor, the finished Coir nets travel straight to vulnerable lands.
Heavy rolls of geotextile mesh arrive on site, ready to reinforce the fragile soil.
Careful with your step, this hill is steep today.
Unrolling the net tightly across the slope holds the vulnerable soil together. Deep wooden pegs anchor the mesh so heavy rains cannot shift it. The coarse coir fibers absorb energy from water runoff, holding soil firm. Within weeks, seeds take root safely through the protective organic fiber network. Where land once washed away, natural fibers restore life to the earth.
What was once discarded waste now protects our land for generations to come.
From agricultural byproduct to sustainable soil defense, the coconut completes its vital life cycle.
What was once discarded now gives strength back to our land.
Every fiber we weave connects hard labor with lasting environmental protection.
Resting upon the earth, coconut coir net guards the topsoil against erosion, allowing new life to flourish and anchor deep root systems. Transforming coconut waste into a lasting shield for green landscapes. From natural coconut husk to sustainable geotextile, protecting our land for generations to come.